wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best commodes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Long contoured armrests and a soft back panel on the Sukong Portable make the otherwise bothersome business of going to the bathroom a bit more pleasant. Its bucket slides out easily without the user or a nurse having to take the whole thing apart to remove it. It comes with a durable aluminum frame, but the seat cutout could be longer and it needs a splash guard. At number 8, the Healthline Folding Bedside lets you raise and lower it in 1-inch increments with a maximum height of 21 inches. It's best for use after a surgery or injury leaves you temporarily incapacitated, or by those who struggle to make it to the restroom on time. The armrests are built for comfort and it's an affordable temporary option. However, the seat is quite narrow. Coming in at number 7 on our list, you'll feel confident using or putting a patient on the Drive Medical 11148-1 because of its strong steel frame. It has several mess-preventing features too, like a good splash guard and a lid on the pail, which is very helpful when transferring it from bedside to a toilet. It includes a carrying handle on the bucket and is easy to move around, but it's not wide enough for large users. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for commodes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Nova 8700-S can be used over most standard toilets for added convenience and stability, or on its own. It comes apart in seconds and packs into a compact shape, making it easy to store where there's limited space or to travel with. It feels stable beneath heavy users and comes with a good-sized bucket. It doesn't allow odors to escape either. Moving up our list to number 5. Built for convenience, the Medline G98204 boasts sturdy arms that can be pushed down so users can transfer easily to and from a wheelchair or other furniture. It features a nicely cushioned backrest, allowing weaker individuals to recline a bit. It's equipped with a comfortably padded seat, foam hand grips, and anti-slip stoppers on the feet. At number 4, with an extra wide seat and a 500-pound capacity, the DMI Bariatric should let overweight and/or broad users feel stable when going to the bathroom. It arrives assembled, and all you need to do is set it to the desired height, but it is on the heavier side. This one's good for hip replacement patients and is easy to get up from. It comes with a comfortable molded seat. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, anyone who suffers from a condition that leaves them on the toilet for a while will appreciate how comfortable the Ultra Commode XL is. It's well padded with foam to prevent pain after prolonged sitting, or the terrible sensation of having your butt fall asleep. There are 2 color options, and the cushion doesn't absorb water. It's easy to wipe down. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for commodes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a great domestic or travel option for anyone who needs additional assistance when using the restroom. The MedPro HomeCare 770-315 offers 7 height levels that can be adjusted at the touch of a button. Plus you won't require tools to put it together either. It's made from rust-resistant materials and can be used as a safety frame too. It weighs only 11 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, not only does the Medline Elements perform all the functions you'd expect from this type of product, but it mimics the design of a regular chair for a more comfortable and discreet experience, including a nice dark bronze finish on the framework. It comes with a cover to hide the bucket and adjustable arms and backrest. It's mold and mildew resistant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for commodes, or simply click beneath this video.